Informative Yard presents saying Jazakallahu khairan instead of Jazakallah. Be aware of this. Jazakallah means may Allah give you what? Khair or shar, means good or evil. So don't say only Jazakallah, always say Jazakallahu khairan. How to respond to Jazakallahu khairan? Number 1, wa iyyakum. Number 2, jami'a. Number 3, or something like this. But sunnah is wa antum fajazakumullahu khaira, means and you too, may Allah reward you with good. When Usayd ibn Haidar said to the Prophet ﷺ, O Messenger of Allah, Jazakallahu khairan, the Prophet said, wa antum fajazakumullahu khaira. Sahih Ibn Hibban. When the second person or the person addressed is a singular masculine, one should say Jazakallahu khairan. When the second person or the person addressed is a singular feminine, one should say Jazakallahu khairan. When the second person or the person addressed are dual feminine or dual masculine, one should say Jazakumullahu khairan. When the second person or the persons addressed are plural masculine, one should say Jazakumullahu khairan. When the second person or the person addressed are plural feminine, one should say Jazakunallahu khairan. In short, if anyone needs this, Jazakillahu khaira for females, Jazakallahu khaira for males, Jazakumullahu khaira for plural. Arabic is a gender-specific language. Say Jazakallahu khairan instead of thank you. The Messenger of Allah ﷺ said, he who is favored by another and says to his benefactor, Jazakallahu khairan, may Allah reward you well, indeed praised the benefactor satisfactorily. At-Tirmidhi. Umar ibn al-Khattab radhiyallahu anha said, if one of you knew what is for him in reward in saying to his brother, Jazakallahu khairan, you would increase in saying it to one another. So revive a sunnah, stop saying thank you to your Muslim brothers and sisters, say Jazakallahu khairan. May Allah make this simple phrase a source of immense reward for us. Ameen. Jazakallahu khairan for watching.